In today's world, our reality can change fast. You can go from wealth to broke really quick if you don't stay relevant. So how can you make sure you stay relevant in a constantly changing environment? Don't worry, we got you covered. A great approach to enter a new field. Obtain efficiency, productivity, and performance can all be enhanced by having unique business talents. When you make the effort to learn a new skill, you can apply your knowledge with proficiency. In order to enrich your career and generate an income, master at least one of these skills. If you do, that's a big win. Number 1. Entrepreneurial inclination. Entrepreneurial behavior is what motivates people to engage in invention and innovation, which includes the creation of something new, as well as its transmission and societal embrace. Developing an entrepreneurial mindset will help you think more critically about what you're doing and why. Determining where you want your business to take you, and what chances you're willing to take to succeed will be helpful. Being willing to take chances and fail is a special ability that isn't just useful in the business world. Your capacity to minimize the significance of failure and rejection in your life will depend on how much of an entrepreneurial attitude you can incorporate into your daily activities. Number 2. Active learning. Your capacity to change and adapt by doing things is referred to as active learning. Most people are book smart, but they lack the direct implementation of their understanding. Just listening to someone explain something won't help you fully comprehend it. You must learn it for yourself and come to your own interpretation of it. This is crucial because, as the world moves extremely quickly, the vast majority of people will be left behind and have no idea why. Not those who are unable to read or write are considered illiterate in today's society, but they are those who are unable to learn, relearn, and unlearn. If you don't try to learn for yourself, then you won't have anybody to learn from. Number 3. Productive creativity. You don't always have to come up with ideas that no one else has before in order to be creative. Instead, it relates to the capability to conceive or somehow bring into existence a different technique of addressing a problem from many perspectives. But as you are aware, complex problems don't always have linear answers. We develop more efficient methods for completing linear tasks. Along the way, we will surely face many challenges that can only be resolved with creative thinking. Number 4. Getting people to do what you want them to. Learn how to motivate others and bring them together for a common purpose. People typically only have interests that are related to themselves. An employee doesn't have the same level of commitment to the company as the CEO and has no reason to be, but, at the end of the day, all great things are made by people working together, and these people need to be stimulated and given a powerful enough reason to come into work. There are so few people who are capable of doing that well. Therefore, it is important for you to exercise and develop into an expert in this type of skill. Number 5. Grabbing people's attention. So the saying goes, the richest people around the world are those who can get you to click on stuff. In other words, those who can captivate, hold, and profit from your attention. If the world depends on transactions of value, the internet depends on advertisements. These advertisements are designed to catch your attention, which supports the online economy. If you think you can pull this off, businesses will shower you with so much wealth. Number 6. Selling. One of the key abilities you must possess if you want to succeed financially is selling. This refers to your ability to link concerns to solutions and deliver them in a way that appeals to a diverse audience. You see, transactions of value are what make the world go around. You have something people need, and they have something you have. Selling is essentially an exchange of value that benefits all parties involved. You offer someone something of worth whether you're going on a date, haggling for a raise, or selling a product to another person. The more effective you are at it, the more value you may add to others as well as yourself. Number 7. Your ability to entertain. The potential to entertain other people is rare yet impressive. It takes a while to start understanding, a longer time to master. It takes talent to entertain others. It's not necessary to juggle, recite knock-knock jokes, or perform backflips in order to properly delight people. Even while these tactics might be effective in moderation, the greatest thing you can do is to pay attention to what the audience wants and maintain their interest throughout your presentation. Some people have this talent naturally, while others do not. But if you are, and you succeed in developing a support system for yourself, then you really don't need much else. Number 8. Building systems and tools. Literally becoming a billionaire depends on your ability to create tools and procedures that let others perform at their best. I am aware that you won't do this overnight, but investing in programs that will be very helpful to you, particularly in honing the technical aspects of this expertise, would be beneficial to your business. A gold rush will always occur. The rush will persist, but the gold will change. Those who create the tools and systems to support it will gain the greatest benefits. As we go along with our next tip, giving this video a like would be greatly appreciated if you found our video to be useful. And if you're interested in seeing more content like this, subscribe to our channel for the greatest modern money-making ideas. Moving on with number 9. Educating others. There are some people who lack the time or patience to thoroughly research a topic. People will gladly pay you for knowledge if you can provide it to them quickly, neatly packaged, and with a bow on top. Fast will always beat free because of this. The value of knowledge curation is exploding, and it will only escalate. This talent involves organizing information in a way that is simple to comprehend and apply. In today's world, there is an abundance of information. You fill a need in the market since there is simply too much content available, and it is becoming difficult to separate the valuable content from the useless stuff. And number 10. Handling high-pressure situations. A scarcity of people with tough skin and great mental fortitude who can not only withstand extreme stress but also perform to their full potential is resulting in a reduction in leadership and creativity. Nothing worthwhile can be obtained without stress. Imagine, for instance, that a businessman makes a substantial investment in a company in which he has complete faith. As a result, there will be two things. The industry will either increase its sales and succeed, or it won't. Whatever one's perspective, one thing is certain. The scenario is now at a very high-pressure level. How many people do you suppose are truly capable of handling this? Considering how much we value our viewers, here's a bonus skill for you to master. Storytelling. Some people know the power of storytelling. It has even enormous leverage than persuasion. A good story can influence the world, and the more people who can tell something, the better. Facts and data are meaningless to people. We are an emotional creature. We develop a connection to stories and heroes, and we begin to care about their subjects. Impactful stories personalize your organization by giving it a name or face, emphasizing its goals, and offering a window into the lives of specific individuals or organizations. Do you agree with our list? Are there any other skills that will always generate your money you think of? Tell us in the comment section. Watch the next video linked here to learn more about business in the modern world.